Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rebecca. In this video, I'm going to show you how to complete the task in chapter 14 of Cambridge IGCSE ICT practical. Okay, so we have the task here, and I'm going to show you how you can create styles, how you can modify styles, and how you can apply the styles to a document. So task 14A, open the document you saved as task 13N. Okay, so let's open the document we saved as task 13N. Okay, create, store, and use the following styles in this document. Okay, so we are going to create these styles, header and footer. Okay, so what we can do first is we can check if we have these styles already in our document. Okay, so if you look at it, header and footer. Okay, so we have header already created, so we can just modify. Okay, so you can right click on it and then modify. Then okay, so we have the font style is serif, font size 10 points. Serif is Times New Roman, and then the font size is 10. Then the alignment to the page margin and the enhancement is bold. So the enhancement is bold, and then I'm going to click on okay. Okay, so now to do the alignment, I can just okay, open the header and then see if it is aligned. Okay, if it is not aligned, you can just select and then do the alignment, or you can just adjust. Okay, you can adjust properly here, okay, to do the alignment. Okay, then the next one we have footer. Okay, so let's check if footer is here also. So we have footer here. We're going to modify. So same thing as header, we have serif 10 points. Okay, so serif is Times New Roman 10 points, and then bold. Okay, and then okay. Okay, then you can also if you need to edit the alignment. Okay, but as we can see, the alignment is correct, so we don't need to do anything on that. Save the document as task 14A. Okay, so I'm going to the file, save as. Okay, task 14A. Okay, task 14B. Open the document you saved as task 14A. Okay. Add the text Winter Wonderland or Woe as a new main heading at the start of the document. Okay, so at the start of the document, Winter Wonderland. Okay, then add the text school closures as a subheading before the second paragraph. Okay, actually we already have this text here, so we just leave it as it is. Okay, create, store, and use the following styles in this document. Okay, so we have the first one, which is heading. So the heading, okay, like I said, you check whether this styles has been created. In the case of IG exam, for the styles that has been created, you will be informed. It will be written in the questions that the style has been created. You just need to modify. But because we are editing the practical document, so we just check to confirm. Okay, so we click here and then we look for the style heading. Okay, so we don't, okay, let me check. Okay, so there's no style called heading here, so I'm going to create a new style. So to create a new style, you can either click on here and then create a style, or you come down here and click on this one, new style. Okay, so the style is heading. Okay, so the font style is sans serif and then 24 points. Okay, it is sans serif. Sans serif is Arial and then 24 points. Alignment is right. Enhancement bold italic. Alignment is right. Enhancement bold italic. Then we have line spacing single, 0 space before, 6 after. So for line spacing, I'm going to go to format, paragraph. The line spacing is single, 0 spacing before, and then 6 point after. And then I'm going to click OK. Okay, so this is not supposed to be applied to this subheading. Okay, so I'm just going to change this one back to normal. Okay, then I will select the heading and then look for the style that I just created. Okay, this is it, and then I will apply. Okay, so that's it. Then the next one we have subheading. Okay, so I'm going to check also if we have any style called subheading. Okay, we don't have any style called subheading, so I'm going to create a new one. Okay, subheading. Okay, and then the font style is sans serif, 16 points and then centered. Okay, sans serif Arial, 16 points, centered. And then underlined, the enhancement is underlined. The line spacing single, 0 spacing before, 6 point after. Okay, underlined. Okay, the line spacing, format paragraph. The line spacing is single, 0 spacing before, and then 6 points after, and then OK. Okay, so I will select all the subheading. Okay, so I just select this one, then press Ctrl and then select this one, and then I will apply. Okay, then the next one we have the body text. Okay, let's check if we have the body text. So we have the body text, so I'm just going to modify it. Okay, so it is serif 11 point left align. Okay, serif 11 point left aligned. Okay, line spacing is single, 0 spacing before and 11 point after. Okay, line spacing is single, 0 spacing before and then 11 points after, and then OK. Then I'll click OK. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select all the body text. Okay, I'll do that again. Okay, I'm going to okay. Okay, so that's it. Save the document as task 14B. Okay, so this is 14B. Okay, open the document you saved as task 14B. Okay, so this document, change all the subheading styles to have a dark blue font and with a yellow highlighted background. So all the subheadings, so we have 2 subheadings. So this is the document, so I'm just going to select and then dark blue and then yellow highlighted background. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to update the style. I'm just going to right click, update subheading to match selection. Okay, so let's see. This automatically changes the color. Okay, but the highlight color is not changing, so I'm just going to do that manually. Okay, and then save the document as task 14C. Okay, so that's that for task 14C. Task 14D, open the file list.rtf. Okay, so that should be in our source file in chapter 14, list.rtf. Enable editing. Okay, and place your name on the right in the header in a 14-point serif font. Okay, on the right, place your name. So insert okay, header. So we only have on the right, and then in a 14-point serif. Okay, 14 point. Okay, 14 point, and then it should be serif. Serif is Times New Roman. Okay, place the file name in the center of the footer. Okay, so we are done with the header. Okay, and then in the footer. Okay, so in the footer we need to place the file name in the center of the footer. Okay, so I'm going to remove this. So the file name, document info file name. Okay, so that is at the footer, at the center of the footer. Okay, change the 11 items listed into a bulleted list. Use a bullet of your choice. So the 11 items listed, I believe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. It says 11. Okay, it should be bulleted list. Okay, so any of our choice, so we can use anyone. Then make sure that this bulleted list is indented by at least 3 centimeters. Okay, so I will just right click and then paragraph. So this should be indented 3 centimeters. Okay, set items 2 to 6 as a sub list. Item 2 to 6. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 to 6 as a sub list. Okay, with a different bullet of your choice, indented by at least 4 centimeters. Okay, so I'm going to first of all change the bullet to let's say this. Then it needs to be 4 centimeters. So I'll right click, then paragraph, and then make this 4 centimeters. Okay, then save the file as task 14D. Okay, so we'll save as task 14D. Okay, so that's that for task 14D. Task 14E, open the file saved in task 14D. Okay, so this file, change the first level bulleted list into a numbered list. Okay, into a numbered list using Arabic numeral, and the second level list into a letter list using starting with this. Okay, so this is the first level. Okay, and I'm just going to click on this. Then I'm going to use a numbered list. Okay, so a numbered list, and if we can remember previously, this was set to 3 centimeter. Okay, so we just, because it has been adjusted, we need to return it back. Okay, and then the second level into a lettered list starting with A. Okay, so we are going to change list level and then try to find, let's see, this. And then remember this one was set to 4 centimeter indentation, so I'll right click paragraph and then make it 4 centimeter, and then that's it. So save the file as task 14e. So I'm going to save as task 14e. Task 14f. Open the document you saved as task 14c. Add the content of the file advice.rtf before the paragraph that starts temperatures. So we need to open the file advice from our source files. We're going to copy the content and we're going to paste that after temperature. Let's see, we're going to paste it before the paragraph temperature. So before. So I'm going to move this down and I'm just going to paste. I'm going to paste to go with the formatting of the body. Create, store, and use the following styles in this document. So for list level 1, we need to make the style for list level 1. So what I'm going to do is, this is the list level 1. And then I will scroll down, hold down the control, and then select this. So the font style is serif, then 11 points. So serif Times New Roman 11 points, yes. Then it is left indented 1 centimeter. So I'm going to right click paragraph. It is left indented 1 centimeter. And then it is a numbered list. It's a numbered list. Also, it is single line spacing, 0 space before, 0 spacing after. So I can just right click and then paragraph. So 0 space before, 0 space after. Just to double check. And it is single line spacing. I'm just going to make this, change this again. So that's done. So for list level 2, list level 2, this is list level 2. The font style is serif, 11 points, and it is indented 2 centimeter. So serif 11 points, then indented 2 centimeter. So I'm just going to right click and then paragraph, indented 2 centimeter. So bullet list with arrow. Bullet list with arrow. It's arrow, so I'm going to use this. The line spacing is single, 0 space before, 0 spacing after. Line spacing is single, 0 space before and 0 space after. Okay, that's done. Save the document as task 14F. Okay, 14F. Okay, so that's all for chapter 14 task. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.